Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT extension grayed out on Mac. So if you have opened system settings and then go to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and here in the right side pane, if you scroll a bit and then in extension section, you can see the ChatGPT extension is grayed out and it's not working. And you can see extended Apple Intelligence is currently unavailable message. Then don't worry, this does not mean there is a problem with ChatGPT or your Apple Intelligence setup. In many cases, this happens because of intelligence extensions have been disabled through screen time restrictions. When this restriction is turned off, macOS automatically block Apple Intelligence extension, causing the ChatGPT option has been unavailable. But the good thing is that you usually don't need to set up the ChatGPT extension again. So to fix this issue in system setting, go to screen time and then click on content and privacy. Here click on intelligence and Siri, and now make sure to enable the toggle right to intelligence extensions. And finally click on done to save the changes. And now if you go to Apple Intelligence and Siri and then scroll down, you can see the extension option is now enabled and you can set up ChatGPT and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.